Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import demo website from Crocoblock. So let's get started. For this, first download Crocoblock wizard from official website. So click on download. Look at here, download started. Download is completed. Now go to WordPress admin dashboard, then click on plugin, then add plugin, then click on upload plugin, then choose file and select the plugin and then click on open. Then install now, then activate plugin. Then let's go. We need to enter the license key here. So again go to official website and copy the license key from here and go back to WordPress admin dashboard and then paste here and click on get started. Then select full Crocoblock installation from here and click on install. Then select Kava theme from here and then use child theme and then continue. Now I will pick this theme from here, so click on start installation. Now click on continue. Look at here, processing started. It will take a few minutes. When this step will be completed, then I will be back. Now select append demo content to my existing content and then click on continue. Importing sample data has completed. Then click on continue. Congratulations, you are all set. So now going to the website. Look at here, the demo site is imported successfully. This is the process to import demo site from Crocoblock. If you want to install and activate Crocoblock license key, check the link from description box. Thank you very much for watching this video.